What's up YouTube? Thank you so much for joining me today. In this video, I will be sharing a money making video. This is the Internet Income Ninja. And on this channel, we focus on making money online. Anything that has to do with helping you increase your earnings, whether it be you have one source of income, we try to help you to get another. If it's starting a business, we talk about that. If you already have a business, we talk about tools, tips, tricks, hacks, softwares, reviews about things that will get you on your way. Okay. I myself, I dabble in several things, but the main business model I've found that works for me is affiliate marketing. And if you are interested in learning what that is, there's a link in the description below. When you click that link, it will take you to free videos, free literature, where you can read up and see what that is all about. Now, in this video, we're going to be sharing a job lead. And this job lead is from a company called Alpine Home Air Products. Now, you're probably thinking, start a business versus working at a job. Well, not everyone is in the same boat. Not everybody's in the same boat. And so different strokes for different folks. Okay. And it could be that you like working. Great. And that's why I'll say that typically the best thing to do is to have more than one stream of income. Even if you have a job already or you're in something that you like, it's always good to have money coming in from somewhere else. Okay. And with that said, we are going to jump into this lead. Now, Alpine Home Air Products, when you scroll to about the middle of the description below, well, if you look through this, when you get to the description, you will see a short description about this lead and the link to this lead. Now, what typically happens is this link that you see right here. Okay, let's use pink just because I feel like this link right here. When you click that link, it will take you to the company's website. All right. And I always recommend you do that before applying so that you can see what they're about. Now, when you see Alpine Home Air Products, you don't necessarily know that they deal with cooling. Maybe you're thinking, feng shui and having wind pass through the windows, or I don't know, or maybe you're thinking of hydraulic stuff for the house, geriatric equipment that uses hydraulics, or air powered stuff to lift people out of their chairs or lift them upstairs now. But they actually specialize in cooling. So air conditioning units, air conditioning systems, sizing estimator to see what size AC units you need, operating cost calculator, a learning center to learn about HVAC systems, which is heating, ventilating, and air conditioning, a whole bunch of stuff. So that this company specializes in cooling, air conditioning, and all the servicing that goes along with these units. Now, oops, my bad. So this company is actually hiring a bookkeeper that's remotely located, but they want someone from the United States. Okay. Now, this is a full-time job lead. All right. And later on, we'll see what those hours will look like. But for this point in time, we'll go through this lead and go into some details. Now, again, as we've already looked at the website, we know that they're an AC, heating, ventilating kind of company, and they enjoy a nationwide reputation for quality products and providing genuinely helpful service. Alpine designs HVAC solutions, again, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. So they're HVAC for short, HVAC solutions for our customers nationwide. We ship heating and cooling equipment to our customers' homes or businesses and help them find local installers. We have a strong following and many repeat customers. Alpine experiences double-digit growth year over year. We are the largest and most tenured e-commerce retailer of heating and air conditioning equipment. Our customers give Alpine the highest ratings in our industry with an average score of 4.8 out of 5 across tens of thousands of reviews. In this role, you will perform highly detailed, data-heavy bookkeeping and accounting work on a rotational basis with our full-time staff accountant. This position will continue to work remotely even after COVID. So their business model is selling air conditioning equipment online. And then what they'll do is they will outsource the actual installation and physical or manual labor to a local contractor. So their model is selling equipment online. And so they're carving out a position in that niche. And as such, they invite people to help them carve that position out in that niche by actually doing your work online. And as they've stated, you will work completely remotely even after COVID has ended. Amazing, right? Now, your responsibilities will include general bookkeeping, or G or L, and transcription entries. General bookkeeping or general ledger and transcription. General bookkeeping or general ledger and transaction entries. There we go. Accounts payable. Correct vendor billing or receiving errors and or follow up with vendors for resolution. Sales tax accruals and posting of payments. Daily bank balance review. Inventory item receipt versus PO versus invoice review. So when the item is received, you're going to compare that to the initial purchase order and then compare that to the actual invoice that was where the customer was billed, or this entity was billed for receipt of these equipment. With me? Awesome. Processing hours, pay time off, bonuses, etc. for processing by third-party payroll provider. Assisting with the management of payroll tax accounts, intercompany reconciliation, financial statements and accruals, bank, credit card, and other reconciliations and postings. Month-end close activities, order, auditing, and chargebacks. Ad hoc accounting projects and reports. Now, a bit about you and what you need to bring. If you have a strong desire to get the numbers right, you are extremely detail-oriented and double-check your work. You love math and accounting and follow processes. You can work with others in a collaborative manner and work with vendors and customers and other functional areas when needed to get accounting transactions or payment processing issues corrected. So if you're any of those things, link them. Check the link in the description below, in the description of this role. Apply. Now, requirements. You need to be extremely detailed. You should have an associate's degree or more advanced degree in accounting. Preferred. 2 or more years of bookkeeping experience. Managerial accounting experience is a plus. Ability to work collaboratively. Timely and dependable. Excellent at math. Strong cognitive problem solver. Microsoft Excel skills. Knowledge of QuickBooks and NetSuite preferred. Friendly and optimistic. Some of y'all ain't friendly and optimistic because of this COVID thing. But if you are naturally friendly and optimistic at heart, then you can brush aside the misery in order to get this role. And then having gotten this role, hopefully you'll feel a little better. No, benefits. Everyone wants to know what they're working for. Benefits, other than pay, which is the first thing they stated, competitive wages, and a monthly gain sharing bonus based on revenue growth. So you will be compensated monthly depending on the growth of the company. So if it exceeds targets, then you will get a percentage of whatever amount you exceeded by. All right. Group health insurance plus health savings account. retirement savings plan, and paid time off. Obviously, you'll work from home even after the COVID-19 pandemic is over, so you will be completely safe, assuming that no one brings anything in. You'll work from home in your home space in comfort. With that said, most people who work from home think that it's okay to take your time. No, you still need to push. And they didn't say it here, but someone with strong accountability needs to apply for this role. Okay? Paid educational and professional development training, and all computer equipment and training will be provided. This is one of the reasons they want someone within the US. They will easily ship the equipment to you, whether it be laptop, headset, all that jazz, so that you can fulfill the role adequately, efficiently, quickly. Okay? So a bit about the company. They're a future-minded, innovative work. They're future-minded and innovative, and they're working to provide intelligent heating and cooling solutions to everyday homeowners. They started in 2002, and they're the first e-commerce company to sell HVAC, again, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. So they're the first company to sell HVAC equipment to homeowners online and by phone. We have helped hundreds of thousands of customers while maintaining the strongest reputation in our industry. We seek to create great experiences for our customers, vendors, and employees. At Alpine, our primary value is that everyone wins. And if you want to win with Alpine, press this blue button. Okay? This one. That button takes you to money. All right? That button takes you to an application page where you'll fill out your information. Speaking of filling out your information, they most likely will require that you upload a curriculum vitae or resume, cover letter, basic stuff. There's a link to free software, free. You just enter your name and email address, but the service is completely free, where you have access to hundreds of templates for resumes, cover letters, and so much more. Even if you wanted to make a birthday card, there's a template there that you can modify, enter your information, and make it your own. So again, that's free. You don't pay anything. And you have access to thousands of templates, from business cards to, again, resumes, cover letters, postcards, Instagram thumbnails, Instagram videos, Instagram reels, TikTok videos. You can edit videos free. Check that out. Hit the apply button. Apply for this job. Check the link in the description below. First link, to see how you can create a secondary or tertiary stream of income from home that is automated and passive and can potentially yield you $1,000 per day or more. Check that out. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like the video, comment on the video, and share this video with everyone you know in the HVAC industry or someone who's good at bookkeeping and accounting. Okay? Again, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for watching and helping yourself make money online. Stay safe. Peace. And I'll see you guys in the next video.